Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva, and for all my new subscribers, my name is Dolores. I'll put it up above there on the screen for you. Well, I'm trying to get a few Halloween things made for you. Simple things that you can make, you can have your kids make with you. So I'm trying to get a head start because I have so many good ones for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and woo, Christmas. That's my favorite baking time of the year. So we're gonna do something super easy for you today, okay? So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. And I hope the lighting's okay. I'm having a lot of problems with my lighting. Getting a lot of shadows on my face and all. I'm working on it, but this is the only place in the kitchen that I can do my baking, and unfortunately I don't have natural light in front of me, and when I try to use my ring lights I get circles in my glasses, so we'll see how this one comes out. Alright, well today I'm making for you Halloween brownies, but they're Halloween graveyard brownies, alright? So off camera I already baked in an 8x8 pan this box of brownies. You can use any type brownies you want. I happen to like these Ghirardelli, and they're the chocolate supreme. They even come with a little packet of chocolate like syrup to put in there. But you're gonna mix, according to the directions on the box, you're gonna mix the brownies to make in an 8x8 pan. Now, I don't know if they're making these brownie mixes smaller or not, but I use exactly an 8x8 pan, and this is what I got. So that's pretty thin. I personally like my brownies a little thicker. So you can get a family size one and use it in the 8x8 pan. It'll make it higher. Or you can, get two of them, whatever you like. But anyway, we're gonna start out with the brownies that are already baked and they're already cooled. Let me move my little sign away. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. All right, so what we want to do first is we want to take some icing and ice the brownie. So I happen to have just a small can here and a little spatula, and I'm going to just use chocolate. You should use chocolate for what we're doing on the top of the brownie. So let me get that all on there. If you have a full-size can, that's fine too. I picked this up in the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has the Pillsbury brand, but they're small. They're only like 10-ounce cans. And this is really all I needed for the top of this. But if you have the bigger can, you can always save it, the remainder of it, in the refrigerator and use it for something else. Okay. And if you're also wondering, you're probably not, just out of curiosity, I have to put these things on my granite island, these little tablecloths, because when I use my green screen, somehow or other it reflects off the granite, and then it looks like fireflies, like little lights jumping around. So in order to get rid of that, I have to cover up the granite. Oh, I have so many problems. You see what I do to make you happy? So I'm just gonna put some of this icing on here. Very easy to do, and this can is perfect for the 8x8 size brownies. Alrighty, just get that all over the top. I'm gonna try not to make this too long a video. Alright. Now, this is going to be the graveyard. So we want the graveyard to look like maybe there's dirt on it. There's so many different things you can do. So let me push this icing all the way over to the ends. And you can certainly ice the sides if you like to. I might actually do the sides off camera when I'm done with the top of this. Okay, so there we go. Get it all the way to the edges, your icing, and there we go. All right, now that looks nice. I'll hold it up and show it to you, but it doesn't really look like dirt, does it? So I have crushed up some Oreos, And I'm gonna put the Oreo crumbs on the top of this to make it look like dirt. Ah, now we're talking, right? This is so much fun for kids to make too, as long as they're not afraid of cemeteries. Because this is gonna be a cemetery, but it's so easy to make. And I always try to come up with fun and easy things that you can make for the holidays. They're not all easy, but I try to make user-friendly desserts. And I think that looks pretty good. We can always put more on later. It looks like a dirt cemetery. Okay. Sorry, I hear my parrot screeching in the background. I should have taken her out of the cage. She hears me talking and she wants to be in the video. Okay, so there we go. Doesn't that look a lot more like dirt? I think so. So now what do we want to do? We want to put some tombstones on there. So look at this, Milano cookies. Now I know they have out limited edition Milano pumpkin spice cookies, but we're using just the plain Milano cookies. So let me take a few of these out of the bag. These are the Milano dark chocolate cookies. So, if you see what I'm doing here, if you take one of these Milano cookies and you stick it right in the brownie, let me just show you, right there. Look at that. Doesn't that look like a tombstone? Mm-hmm, yeah, but the tombstone should say something on it, right? I think so. So let me take this one out. Now, Diva, you're always talking with food in your mouth. Stop it. Now, this is the little tube that you buy that you can write on something with. It's edible. But I guess, you know, with the supply chain now and the way the stores are carrying and not carrying certain items, I couldn't find black. So this was a blue one, and I thought it was going to be dark blue, like a navy blue, but it's not. Uh-oh, Brownie's barking, whatever. It's either the bird or it's the dog. It's food. When they see or smell food, they go crazy. So hold on, I'm gonna let the dog outside and I'll be right back. Okay, so sorry about that. The Brownie had to go outside. She's an old gal, Brownie. What is she, 13? No, 14. 14 years old. So anyway, I let her out so we wouldn't have her barking in the video. But I think, and there goes the bird again, but I think, as I was saying, they were out of this in black. I'm going to ask the cameraman to go and cover the bird. Maybe that will keep her quiet. Cameraman! Cameraman, not in your Donald Duck voice. Cameraman, go cover the bird, please.
No, I don't want to.
All right, so anyway, I thought this was navy. Of course, when I went to try it, no. It's light blue. And it's not going to show up as nicely as I want it to on these little Milanos, but for now I'll have to use it. So you take your Milano cookie, you can write anything you want on it. I'm going to put R.I.P. for rest in peace. So let me put that on this one. Hopefully it'll show up. I'll do another one for you. Got to watch when you squirt it out that it doesn't come out too fast or it fills in the P. So I'll put the R, rest in peace. I'll hold it up for you in a minute. Okay. You see that there? It says rest in peace. Now I would like it better if it was in black, but for now we're going to have to use blue because that's all we have. So you would just take it and you would gently, so it doesn't break, stick it into your brownie. Let me hold this up. I'll turn it around so you could see it. Isn't that cute? if you want to say a tombstone is cute. And you can do as many as you want, and you can write anything on them you want. So I'm going to make another one. I think I'll just put another rest in peace on this one. This is fun to do. It's like a craft product, only with food. Rest in, and it's so easy to write on these. Peace. So here we have another one, rest in peace. So let me put this here. And you can put as many or as few of these cookies on as you want. So let me turn this around for you. I think I might put 3 along there. Now, let me do one more. Now, also, I'll show you in a second some other sugar decorations I bought to put on the little graveyard. Okay. Alrighty. It's not black, but you can still see it. So I'll stick this one over here. Yeah. So let me turn it around and show you. There we go. And I'm going to put more on there. Now, what do I have here? I happen to have a store near me that sells a lot of candy supplies, and they always have these, decorative sugars, but I'm sure you can find them online or on Amazon or whatever. So I have a little sugar. These are those edible sugars, a little skeleton head. We have a pumpkin. These all came in one little package. There's a moon. She didn't have any bones. She only had dog bones, but I said they'll be fine. Who cares? There's a black cat. And what else do we have? There's a blue bat. And look at these. These are hatchets, sugar hatchets. Funny. And then I had these. These are actually, I think I got them in Target, bubblegum eyeballs. So there's no rhyme or reason. You can place these anywhere you want. So just to get us started, I think I'll put maybe a bone over here in this corner. And this is where your creativity comes in. You can do this any way you want. Maybe I'll put this little pumpkin over here. Yeah, that looks cute. I'll turn it around in a minute for you. And what else? How about an eyeball, right? We'll stick an eyeball over here, maybe in this corner. Oh yeah, that looks cool. And what about, let me see, the skeleton head. I'll stick that over here. Let me just hold it up so I can show you what I'm doing. There you go. You see that? I'm just having fun with it. That's all. And that's what I want you to do. Have fun with it. Make yourself a Halloween graveyard brownies. Now here, I've had these for a while. These are teensy-tiny, and they're bones and black and white skeleton heads. I usually sprinkle these like on my cupcakes. So I'm just going to put a few of them here and there. I don't want to put too much on there. But these are little tiny bones, and they do look really cute. I'm loving this. Oh my God. It's just fun. That's all. Just, oh, well, look, a little bone stuck on my rest in peace sign. Just a few. And I'm going to do, let me see, maybe, I don't know if I'm going to do 3 or 6 more of the tombstones. So you know what? This is how it's coming so far. And I don't want to, make you sit there while I decorate this. So let me get my other tombstones on there and some of my other decorations off camera. And then I'll be back in a minute to show you how this spooky graveyard came out. Ooh. Oh. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below and hit that red subscribe, because I have lots more crazy things coming for you. And I think you're going to like them. All right, let's get a couple more. I had to be careful because the cameraman, AKA my husband, he's very bad when it comes to the sweets. And he's always sneaking around. And I'll buy something and then I'll be like, what happened to it? I don't know what I was saying. I'm getting a lot of interruptions here from the dog. First I had to let her out, then she started barking. The cameraman had to let her in. Oh, I know what I was going to say. Yeah, so I'll buy something that I need as an ingredient, something I'm making. I go to find it, gone. And I'm like, where did those cookies go? And there's the cameraman looking at me. Well, you didn't tell me they were for a recipe. So now I always have to say, don't touch this. I need it for a recipe. Or don't touch that. I need it for a recipe. Ay, ay, ay. So I had the Milano spice cookies that I said they could eat, but I said, don't anybody take these. I need them for my cemetery. So, all right, I'm just putting rest in peace on these, but I've seen this done where they put so many fun sayings on them, but you know, you don't have a lot of room. Okay, rest in peace, R-I-P. Okay, so I'll put another one maybe right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a few on there. Oh, I think I gotta put this hatchet somewhere. Gonna stick this out. Don't want it to break, the sugar is delicate. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right, I'm cray-cray. That's why I say, watch my channel. I like to entertain you while I'm baking. There's no reason you can't have fun when you bake. So let me put a few more decorations on this, and then I'll be back to show you how I did it, and I'll do a taste testing. So, boo! Don't go away! Well, here you go. Look at that cemetery. I think it came out awesome. Sorry, it got a little bloody. See that blood in there? Ooh! And we have bones and eyeballs and, oh my goodness, skeletons and, oh, there's a bat there and a pumpkin and, oh, I love the hatchets. Sorry they have some blood on them. But isn't that adorable? You can make that in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. I mean, how easy is that? Make your brownie mix and then just decorate it any way you want it. I think those Milano cookies make perfect tombstones. It's just a fun thing to make for Halloween. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I was debating whether I should cut it and do a taste testing, but you know what? I don't want to ruin the masterpiece right now. I mean, everybody knows what a brownie tastes like. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I have a few more Halloween goodies to come. And then we go on to the other holidays. We got 3 or 4 good months of holiday baking. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe and hit the little bell twice, and that's it. It's free. You're all set. You're a subscriber. So thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch me make this Halloween graveyard brownie tray. And love you all, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Toodles! Boo!